Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the original audio from a part of the video that you edit in InShot. So in here, for example, I have a 1 minute long video and I want to mute or maybe remove the audio, but only on a certain part of the video, not the entire video. So if you want to do the same, just follow the step. So the first thing that you want to do is just create a separate clips on the part that you want to mute or remove its audio. So for example, I want to remove the audio from the uh 10 seconds in here, the timer in 10 seconds until, for example, for 15 seconds in here. So what you need to do is just go to where you want the muted or the removing audio start. For example, I'm going to go here, and then after that you can swipe through this option in here and find a split. Let's split the video and go to the end of the part that you want to remove this audio. For example, this 15 seconds, you can hit on the split again. Now you'll have this separate clip. So what you need to do is just remove the audio. If you want to remove the audio, you can click on the volume options in here, and after this you can just click on this to turn the volume into 0 or remove the original audio. And now you can just click on the check icon. So now only this part of this video will have the audio removed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.